In the hottest year on record, the fingerprints of a changing climate in a warming world were on dozens of extreme weather events. Without heat there would be no air. Heat is energy and air is the expression of this energy. An atmosphere trying to balance itself. But too much heat in the system raises the limits of what's possible in weather conditions, pushing it to extremes. Perhaps it's no surprise that this year's record heat is a hard line for many. The cruelest weather events 2023. Climate scientist Kristina Dahl. The union-concerned scientists told CNN, "Climate change affects weather on Earth every day," Dahl said. "In my opinion, the burden of proof now is to show that climate change does not affect any one event, because it very clearly affects everything around us. This year's extreme weather events are not unique. These are a sign of things to come. If we continue to warm the planet, these types of events will continue to become more frequent and more severe," Dahl said. These are just some of 2023's most notable examples of what extreme weather could look like on a warming planet. Extraordinarily rapid concentration. The record heat wasn't just in air. It also reached the oceans, which absorbed much of Earth's excess heat. Sea surface temperatures were much higher than in any year on record, Dahl said. Warm water serves as food for storms. And exceptionally warm ocean water in 2023 not only created more storms in Atlantic by neutralizing storm-dampening effects of a strengthening El Niño, but also fueled explosive powers of storms forming around world. This explosive strengthening, known as rapid condensation, becomes more likely as the atmosphere warms. A total of 12 tropical cyclones in the Atlantic and Eastern Pacific basins have rapidly intensified in 2023. In this NOAA captured by the GOES satellite, Hurricane Lee crosses the Atlantic Ocean as it heads west on September 8, 2023. NOAA. The explosion made Lee the Atlantic's third fastest storm on record. Idalia, the only hurricane to make landfall in the U.S. this year, was another example of storms becoming more frequent and faster, intensifying just before landfall. An overturned semi-truck lies on shoulder a highway in the aftermath of Hurricane Otis on outskirts Acapulco, Mexico. Friday, October 27, 2023. Felix MarquezAP A historic tragedy in a year of unusual wildfire behavior. Unusual wildfire behavior marked the year, both in places where fires started and where fires did not start. National Interagency Fire Center statistics show that wildfires burn an average of 7 to 8 million acres of land in the U.S. each year, but only 2.6 million acres will burn in 2023. That was partly due to a soggy start to the year in the typically fiery West, which has kept wildfires a minimum after years of devastation. The trend doesn't occur over a single season. And as world warms, wildfires are becoming more frequent and severe, especially in the West. Latest National Climate Assessment notes.